Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long-term bearish market. After testing this significant monthly level of support, we have seen that gold has a primary bounce to the upside. As a second week of the month, we have seen that gold has gone up, and we can expect now a deeper pullback on gold. Now, if we look at this impulse on gold, starting with this move, the price has created this huge movement to the downside. If we take our Fibonacci for this move, for potential pullback, we can expect now gold to retest at least minimum Fibonacci level, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci. And as the price below this, well below this 20 EMA, we can expect now gold slowly push up to test this level. If we look at the weekly time frame to see overall direction in the market, we can see that there is a long week candle from the weekly, and today we saw that the market opened with a weekless candle. This candle is quite significant, as we see that after retest of this level, gold had a bounce, and we have seen that lower time frame gap opening has given gold a high probability now to move to the upside after little pullback. Now at the same time, if we look at the daily time frame to see how gold is doing, now we see that there is a daily bearish channel on gold, and this channel, we have seen that there was a breakdown from this channel with a strong impulse from the daily time frame, and we saw there was a bullish move during the NFP has created this movement. Now today we saw that the market opened with a gap and formed a weakless candle on the daily time frame, which is a sign of potential bullish momentum on gold. Now at the same time, we saw there was a huge gap opening on the lower time frame that might give gold initial pullback here and then continuation to the upside. And as we can see, this is where this is the Fibonacci level that we are expecting from the monthly, and also aligning with the support here from the daily, and also support here, also long-term support, turning resistance along with the daily 20 EMA, which is a very high area of value. And we could see that gold is going up to test this level before coming down again for a deeper pullback. Now, looking at intraday perspective, we see that there is a gap opening. This gap is quite significant, as we see that some fundamental factors contributed to that opening of gap. And as you know that the market never leaves a gap opened, and we could see that at some point this gap is being filled, and this is where our entry opportunity, as we see that there is a huge gap. At any point we can expect gold to come back down to fill that gap along with this 4-hour 20 EMA above this level, which is a very high area of value. This is where we see the resistance. The price has dropped from that level, and also the price has gone back up to this level from this significant level of resistance. The price opened with a gap, and at some point we could see that there is a sudden drop. There could be sudden drop, and the price might test this level as a support, and from this zone we can expect an upside bounce on gold on the lower time frame. If we look at 1-hour chart, we see that the market is forming a consolidation pattern here, and what I think that on the lower time frame we might see anytime a liquidity grab from the resistance and sudden drop to this level. This is where we will be waiting for an entry opportunity, as the market is consolidating in that zone. Still, it's not ready for any kind of selling and buying. I will be waiting for initial movement to the upside, a strong false breakout to the upside, coming back down. If we see that gold has given us a suitable price action confirmation for this potential move towards the downside, we will consider going short to this level. As the market structure is local is bullish, also we look for buying opportunity in from that level. If we see that gold has dropped to this level, which is a very important previous resistance and support, we'll look for long term buying opportunity from this level as soon as it gives us suitable entry opportunity. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. That will help this idea to be visible to be more people. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.